Optional subject plays a key role in your selection, and that's why confusion about its choice is very obvious. But sometimes many aspirants waste their months in finding the right optional. They realize this very late. Nowadays, Anthro has become very popular among serious aspirants because it has high scoring potential and a compact syllabus. It follows scientific approach and its syllabus overlap with entire GS. To help you in deciding the right optional timely, we are coming up with an exclusive open session where we can explore why it is one of the most popular optional. Is it suitable for you or not? Which books and sources you should follow? What's my approach that can help you score 320 plus? Toppers start early. They decide faster. They trust their mentors and devise a robust strategy. You should not be an overthinker. You should take a calculated decision after weighing pros and cons. And after that, just follow our time-tested strategy. I can assure you conceptual depth and a very high quality answer writing skills, which can significantly boost your score, not just in Anthro, but in GS too. If you are thinking for Anthro optional, don't miss this session. Let's meet and explore your potential vis-a-vis anthropology.